press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi everyone, this is Sairam Tadepalli. Welcome to my channel Tech and Life. And in this third video of the series in the free bootcamp course of Tableau, I'm going to explore everything related to Tableau Dashboard and what are the contents we have, what are the different file formats Tableau is supporting, what are the database connectivities Tableau is supporting, and everything related to different types of maps, different types of graphs we can generate. Everything I'm going to explain in this video. Please do watch this video completely so that you can get idea and where we can get these online services in the Tableau online resources, what are the data sets available. I'm going to explain everything in this third video, so please do watch this video completely and you can get a knowledge on what are the different file formats you can use for your data visualization tasks in your organization or for your personal purpose. Thank you.
Hey guys, as I mentioned in introduction of this video, I'm going to explore the Tableau dashboard, the Tableau homepage, which we are going to work in future in this free bootcamp course. And this dashboard is divided into three parts. In the left panel, it's discussing about the file formats and what are the servers which Tableau can accept to work on. And in the middle panel, it explains about what are the workbooks or desktops, dashboards which I worked previously or you are going to work, you worked. So it's going to discuss about what are the workbooks and what are the different operations we performed previously. And in the right panel, you can see some of the resources like training videos and other blog information, forum information regarding Tableau. So first of all, we focus on left panel. We have few contents here. That means what are the file formats Tableau can accept, like Microsoft Excel, text file, JSON file, Access file, PDF file. If you have dataset in different formats, Tableau can include those files to you in the dashboard, so you can work on data visualization using that content. For example, I want to work on MS Access, Microsoft Access. I have to click on this button and it will show a small dialog box where we need to browse the file location and we need to click on open. So it will open the file like this. So we can drag the information here. So in this MS Access file, sample coffee chain file, we have 4 tables and first table is coffee chain query. So I'm dragging that one and information will be displayed like this. If you want to remove that one, you can click on here and you can click remove, and you can drag this one fact table to here. Again, the information regarding fact table will be displayed here, and from here I want to go to main page again. So I have to click here and you can navigate to the home page again. So if you observe here, we have different servers and the server formats which Tableau can accept. So click on more and you can check what are the servers of different organizations Tableau can support. So you can click on anything. If you have content in that repository, you can connect to the Tableau directly and you can work on data visualization. And in the bottom, third one, save data sources. We have 2 different saved data sources. We can practice on those data sources if you want to get some knowledge on data visualization using Tableau. Suppose I'm clicking on regarding world indicators. I'm clicking on that, double click on that, and you can see world indicators will be displayed here. So dimensions and measures, regarding dimensions and measures we can discuss in later videos. And I want to go back to home page, click on this button and you can go back to the home page. So these are the sample workbooks which will be available in Tableau desktop version in default. So you can work on these things. If you want to check what are the workbooks you worked previously, you can check here. So these are the workbooks which I worked previously: world indicators, a heat map of taxi booking, and point maps, world indicators, regional maps. Again, so many things I worked on previously. And coming to right panel, we have few things like training sessions of Tableau regarding some internal deep resources which we can get from Tableau. So some video lectures are available, and you can click on more training videos. You can learn from those videos, and you can work on Tableau. And in the bottom we have external resources like Get Tableau Prep and blog posts and forums, data samples. Like this we have few things in Tableau desktop version. So this is all about Tableau, and you can work on different files. You can click on more. You can get information regarding what are the different file formats you can work on using Tableau. So this is all about Tableau desktop version.
Hope you enjoyed the video, and I think you got some information on Tableau, which is required to become a data analyst. And thanks for subscriptions, and please do follow every episode in my channel. Like the video, share the video, please press the bell icon. If you are not subscriber, please subscribe to my channel Tech and Life, and please press the bell icon. It will be very helpful for me, and you can get the notifications of further videos and other bootcamp course related information. And please support me and mention your views in the comment section, so it will be very helpful for me. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.